Good morning everyone. My name is Gunjan Goyal and I belong to Jaipur. I am pursuing postgraduate diploma in management from Faculty of Management Studies, Institute of Rural Management, Jaipur. Today I am going to present the case study analysis on Mother Dairy. So first of all, I would like to introduce my topic. Mother Dairy Fruits and Vegetables is a company with a huge turnover of rupees 4,200 crore and it's the largest seller in Delhi NCR. About 65% of the total revenue is contributed by milk only. Mother Dairy is the largest seller in Delhi NCR for 35 years. Mother Dairy was founded in 1974 as a wholly owned subsidiary of National Dairy Development Board. Mother Dairy Fruit and Vegetable Private Limited is an Indian company that manufactures, markets and sells milk, milk products and other edible products. Its milk products include cultured products, ice cream, paneer and ghee under the Mother Dairy brand. The company also sells edible oils, fresh fruits and vegetables, frozen vegetables and processed food like fruit, juices, jams, pickles, etc. Some of the main products of Mother Dairy are milk, butter, yogurt, ice cream. Area in which Mother Dairy lacks. Mother Dairy is a big brand, but they add powder milk in their products to the tune of 40%, which spoils the taste of the product. Lack of knowledge and awareness about its products amongst customers. Mother Dairy sells through its outlets and no home delivery is possible. Amul is one of the biggest competitor of Mother Dairy. So as and when Amul enters the Delhi market, it defeated the Mother Dairy brand in terms of market share within a span of 4 years in 2011. Amul procures fresh milk and packages. This brand is a leader in ice cream segment in the country. Amul also facilitates home delivery to its customer and provide more awareness of the product. The price of Mother Dairy is less than the price of Amul products. Still, a huge number of brand loyal moved to Amul. One of the main reasons why consumers shifted to Amul is the difference of taste. Marketing mix of Mother Dairy are as follows. First of all, product mix. Mother Dairy is one of the popular and leading brands offering milk-based products as well as other food items. It operates under 3 divisions and brand names Safal, Dhara and Mother Dairy. The diversified product portfolio of Mother Dairy, which deals mainly in milk and milk products, includes milk of many types, dahi, chach, lassi, flavored milk bottles, paneer, cheese and etc. Now, the place mix of Mother Dairy. Mother Dairy has a pan-India presence that has spread to every part of urban and rural area in India. The company has its headquarters based at Noida in Uttar Pradesh. Mother Dairy has created a powerful distribution and sales network at a national level to achieve success in its operation. Now, the pricing policy. It has kept a reasonable price range so that its product seems affordable to its consumers. Mother Dairy has also adopted differential pricing policy so that varies and is dependent on geographical locations. The promotion mix of Mother Dairy is Mother Dairy has adopted several smart and effective plans to market its product. It has created some smart and campaigns that are shown via television, radios, newspapers, magazines, side of vehicles, billboards and hoardings. Now, I would like to suggest some measures for revitalization plan of Mother Dairy. They should plan to increase the production capacity and also expand procurement of milk. They should shift the division of their products from powder to natural. They should increase the size of their supply chain and also increment of their products in southern and western areas. They have to divide the segment of the work rather than shift the whole work. They can also reduce their cost and adopt different marketing strategies according to the environment for increasing their sales. The brand have to work on the quality and the taste of product and try to make them different from others. The brand can also provide home delivery facilities to its customers. Now, I would like to conclude that if the company will make the necessary changes in the quality and the policies of the brand, then they can easily retain in the market and regain the market share which they have lost earlier. There are many other brands which gives tough competition to the brand. So the brand Mother Dairy have to take necessary action related to the production of all the products. They also need to make their consumer more aware about the product and facilitate appropriate knowledge to them. Thank you.